The kitchen for our makeover house has been donated by Proform. Now it's a really easy to assemble DIY product, provided you read the instructions, which are pretty simple to understand. Everything comes packed flat like this, and things like cupboard doors and bench tops are all included. Our bench top will come later. Right now, I'm just assembling all the carcasses, and then we'll place them all in position.
One of the most important projects in our makeover is the kitchen. So, the idea of a simple pre-cut custom designed kitchen that we can assemble as a DIY is the perfect solution. This easy to install system from Proform is brilliant. You assemble the cabinets according to the design. They're even pre-drilled, so all you have to do is screw them together. Once the cabinets are assembled, Dean attaches adjustable feet to the base. This will allow us to level the cabinets when they're in place and position according to the layout that Proform have provided. The detail of Proform's instructions makes the assembly process very quick and easy. The components are all numbered, so the assembly process is simple.
Oh, there we go. 5 minutes. Next.
Once they're all together, Dean and I place the cabinets and position the bench tops. We then fix them together. Our beautiful Proform kitchen starts to take shape. Dean then attaches the brackets to the cupboards and the hinges into position. All the holes for the hinges are pre-drilled, so accuracy of positioning is guaranteed. Then we can begin fitting the doors. The light wood grain of the doors will look great with our colour scheme. Wow, you have done a great job.
Yeah, it wasn't too hard actually. So what's next?
Tiling.
Oh, we've got to apply for the appliances too.
That's right.
Yeah.
So as a DIY, well, it really works.
So provided you take your time and read the instructions carefully, you can achieve a result like this.
Let's look at appliances.
Yeah, let's.